welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest. I will be doing a makeup look on her today. Today I'm gonna focus on dark circles because she has a little of it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cover it. So if you guys want to know how to cover up your dark circles, please stay tuned. So right now she doesn't have anything on her face. She only has some moisturizer, but I'm gonna be putting this Tatcha's primer onto her face. So I'm just using my fingers to apply this all over her face. And look up for me. Focus this under the eyes as well. Taking this orange corrector by LA Girls. So I'm just taking a little bit of this. I know you guys see this on Instagram and on YouTube, people applying a lot. You really do not need a lot of this. A little goes a long way. So you could either use a brush or your finger to blend this in. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it in. Look up for me. You can use a little bit of it on the lid as well, because she has a little brown on the lid close. So I'm just applying a little on her lid as well. Like this one. Then with your fingers. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation for her today. So just take a little bit of this on the back of your hand like that, and with a damp sponge, I'm going to apply this all over her face, starting from outer part of her face and just working my way in. And go over the eyes a little bit as well. I don't know why the camera is picking up this so light. It's really not that light. And make sure to bring the foundation down to the neck as well. Okay. Close your eye. And for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Master Conceal by Maybelline. So I'm just taking a little bit of this, and I'm going to apply it with this part of the sponge. So I'm just taking this, look up for me, I'm just applying this under her eyes. Have your client looking up when you're doing this, so her eyes are not creasing. Now close for a second. I'm just going to apply a little on the lid as well, just to get rid of that orange shade. And do the same exact thing to the other eye. And now to set her under eyes, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D's brightening powder in petals. Same sponge, pick up the loose powder and apply it to her under eyes. And whatever is left on your sponge, just apply it to the rest of her face. For eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre. Just take a little bit of that with a little brush. And close your eyes for me. You can either blend it in with a brush or your fingers. I like to blend it out with my fingers. It warms up the product and then it makes it go on your eyelids smoother. So for eyeshadow, I'm not going to be doing anything crazy for her today. I'm just going to give her a soft smoky brown eyes. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty palette for this. With a big fluffy brush, I'm going to pick up the Desert Sand shade and just tap off the excess. Close your eyes for me. And just apply this all over the lid. And now with another fluffy brush, pick up the shade Blazing. And I'm going to focus this shade onto her crease. Doing one thing on this eye, you may copy the same thing on the other eye. And now with a flat brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Ode. Okay, and now take this shade and focus it closer to her lash line. Then just bring it up a little bit. And with a small blending brush, blend these two shades together. Use the bigger one because the smaller one wasn't doing much for me. So with all smoky eyes, blending is key. So blend as much as you can until it looks seamless and there's no harsh lines. To warm it up a bit more, I'm gonna use a little more of the Blazing. And then focus this onto the crease. Up a little more and just focus it on the crease and blend these two shades together. And now with another clean blending brush, blend it out even more. And now I'm taking another flat brush and I'm picking up the shade Oud again. And I'm gonna have her look up for me this time. And focus this close to her lower lash line. Now with a small pencil brush, pick up the shade Blazing. And with this shade, blend out the brown. Keep looking up. To make this eye look a little extra, I'm gonna pick up some of the Blood Moon with my finger because these shades don't really come out too pigmented if you're using a brush. So I'm focusing this on the middle of her eyelid. This is gonna give her that beautiful halo look. A little more. Just apply it like that. And then with a small blending brush, blend this with the dark brown. Just like that. Okay, now that we're done with her eyeshadow, I'm gonna wipe off the extra powder that's on her face. Close your eyes for me. For her eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil by Benefit. Just gonna do very small strokes onto her eyebrows. I'm not really gonna do anything. I'm just basically gonna reshape her own eyebrows. She has a good shape. I just have to fill it in a little bit. I'm gonna define her arch a little more. I filled in her eyebrows and now I'm just gonna brush it out a little with a spoolie to make it look natural. A small detail brush, pick up any concealer you like. This is my favorite from MAC, so I use this a lot. So I'm just taking this And I'm gonna outline her eyebrows to sharpen them and make them look a little more cleaner. Under her eyebrows as well. And now to give her a little color, I'm gonna be using my MAC's Mineralize. This is in medium dark. I'm gonna apply this with a little contour brush. So I'm gonna apply a little onto her forehead so we can make the forehead look smaller, and also it gives the face a little warmth. And a little onto her jawline. Just taking a little, and I'm gonna apply this to her cheekbones. So do a little C like this. This will make the face look slimmer and give her higher cheekbones. It's like pretty much a big C like this. Using the same shade with a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna contour her nose. So draw 2 lines onto her nose, one on each side. And the closer these 2 lines are to each other, the smaller the nose is gonna look. Can you guys see that? And then just draw a line right over here so the nose doesn't look too long. This kind of cuts the nose and makes it look shorter. And for blush, I'm using Milani's Baked Blushes and number 3. Look at how cute my brush is, guys. Okay, so just apply this to her cheeks and blend this with the contour. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Tarte's Twinkle palette, and just going to pick up a little bit with my highlighting brush and just apply it to her forehead and onto her temples. Look this way. And then a little onto her chin, and a little onto her cupid's bow. And with a small detail brush, I'm picking up the same highlighter, and I'm gonna close your eyes, apply this into her inner corners to brighten up her eyes and open them up a little more. And I love to bring it in right over here. It gives your eyes a little more depth and just looks so pretty. Also apply it under her eyebrow. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the same lipstick I have on, which is Milani's Precious. A brush, I'm gonna apply it onto her lips. Open your mouth. Sorry guys, my camera had stopped filming, so basically I just applied her lipstick, and then I set her face using the Milani's Make It Last setting spray. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss Lashes in Poise. Before applying the lashes, I'm going to apply coat of mascara onto her lashes. This is What's Your Type by the Balm Cosmetics. Using a pair of tweezers, I'm gonna apply the lashes on her. Halfway down for me. Halfway down. I'm applying the same mascara onto her lower lashes. Look up for me. So this is the final look, you guys. We put on a wig because we were too lazy to do her hair. So it's late, it's like almost 12 o'clock in the morning. So we just put on a wig, and that's her makeup. So, yeah, that's how you hide your dark circles. If you have any questions, you can comment down below.
I don't have any circles.
That's because I hid them. But yeah, so that's how you hide your dark circles. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you want me to do more videos like this, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching our video, you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye bye. On your channel,
You're
and please
very welcome.
subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye. What is this?